here is intro to AppScript using Google's AppScript. And basically what we'll be doing here is, let me move this over here. Okay. So basically what this will be doing is when you add businesses here and then give it a notification date, let's say 9. Oh, it doesn't do it. Okay, cool. I guess it takes all that. Our due date will be 15, same thing. 14, 20, 25. And let's just say even $100. They haven't paid. Okay. So how this works is basically once bills are paid, they populate into this. So you can keep track of all the bills paid. And also, once they are paid, once you change them to paid, they'll send out a notification on your calendar with the new billing date for the next month. So that's how this works. So you'll be notified the next month. Then you can change it to no, put your new people in here who haven't paid, and then it'll be the same thing. So for instance, let's say this was paid right here. Let's put this to yes. The date should change. Boom. So now that's going to be the new due date. It's next month for 4/16. It's populated on here. That's been paid. It was paid on this date. And how this works is what I was talking about is AppScript. So you have code that runs in here. And I'm using my Google Sheet ID and I'm using the main sheet right here. Mills main sheet. So in this script, basically, once you make an edit on that and makes the value paid, it changes the script to update the date to the next month. It moves it to the second sheet, which is the bills paid sheet. And then it adds it to your calendar. So right here, this process payment for Adobe services. And that's what we did right here. So it puts that information onto your calendar so you always be reminded and you always can be making payments on time or make sure people pay you. And if you want to change it from that, you can change it here for update next payment date to 12 months or 3 months, depending on how many days you want to do it. If you want to change what it says on your calendar, you can put it right here, like receive payment or charge, whichever company that pays you, and then you can make sure keep track of people who pay you. So you can either use this as paying bills or making sure somebody pays you. And I'll give you a copy of this. And how you find your sheet ID is up here, right before it says edit. This is your ID. So when I give you a copy of this, you'll have a different one for yours. And then you can just put this right into the script and it'll run the same way. And then however you name this down here, you put that in this main sheet name. So if it's just sheet 1, then this would just be name sheet 1. So that's how you use AppScript. And also we have to do a trigger that works with the edit so it knows when there's an edit. So here we go. Here's the function. There's a few different ones, but we're doing on edit. When it spreadsheet is edited, it will update without us doing anything. And if there's any failures, it will email you. But this is how we're doing it. And how to do that, you just add trigger. It's already on there. Spreadsheet, we're doing on edit. And that would be it. That would be the only thing we would change. And that's how you set the trigger up. Okay, so that's really it for app scripts. Real powerful. You can have it do different things on your spreadsheets. So it all depends. If you use a lot of spreadsheets, you could do all types of different things. So I'm actually going to start using this more. And I think this is a pretty cool tool for anybody who needs calendar reminders and keeping track of who paid, who didn't pay, or who I paid or I didn't pay. And everything just updates itself. Tank goes to 5. ABC companies paid. And good to go. So that's it.